Prove that cosec pi minus x equals and is equal to or equivalent to cosec x. So for this part, what we have to do is very simple, that cosec, so if I say left hand side, so that's left hand side, okay. So left hand side cosec pi minus x, and that can be written as 1 out of sine pi minus x. Now when we write sine pi minus x, you see we can expand it as that using the addition subtraction formula. So if you had sine a minus b, that would equal sine of a then cos b minus cos a sine b. So if you use that same thing and expand it, it will become that equals 1 out of sine pi cos x minus cos pi sine x, and that equals 1 out of, now cos sine pi we know is 0, so that would be cos, so that this thing, so this sine pi cos x would be 0, and we are left with, so we can write it as 0 minus, and then cos pi we know is minus 1, cos 180 degrees is minus 1, cos 0 degrees is 1. The reason is that cos lies in the second quadrant, or 180 degree lies in the second quadrant, and this quadrant is negative. It's positive for sine, so all are positive here, and then tan is positive in the third quadrant and cos is positive in the fourth quadrant. So in the second quadrant cos is negative, and therefore cos of 180 degree would be minus 1. So what we write is, you can write this as 0 minus and then minus 1 and then times sine x, so that equals 1 out of sine x, and that equals cosec x. So that's the left hand side. Now if we are to prove the right hand side, we can do it the same way. So the right hand side will be, so if I say RHS, that's the right hand side, is cosec x, and that equals 1 out of sine x, and that equals 1 out of sine pi minus x, because we've just proven here that sine pi minus x equals sine x. So on the other hand, sine x is also equal to sine pi minus x. I can write equals 1 out of sine x equals 1 out of sine pi minus x, and that equals cosec pi minus x. So we have proved both sides, and the proof is done.